Ethereum has just posted one of the largest single day candles to the upside in over 2 years. Guys, this has been incredible. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why I think we could reach $5,000 in the coming weeks and why this pump actually happened in the first place. Guys, before this pump, I think there could even be a little bit of a drop based on previous historical data. So you're going to want to stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and more. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we are 197 wins, 0 losses in the last 15 months. From this pump, we actually got 4 trade wins. Absolutely insane. And if the price continues increasing, we need to be on the lookout for more. Jumping straight into the news first. Ethereum ETF's filing process sees abrupt progress, though approval is not guaranteed. As we scroll down here, exchanges are being asked to update 19B-4 filings on an accelerated basis by the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. The SEC had previously been expected to reject the other ETF filings, and while there's no guarantee of approval, the move suggests progress is being made. Bloomberg intelligence ETF analysts Eric Balchunas and James Seifert raised their odds for the approval of a spot Ether ETF to 75% from 25% on Monday after hearing chatter that the SEC could be taking more favorable stance towards the applications. They later corrected their statement, saying that the odds were related to the 19B-4 approvals. The SEC is expected to make a decision on VanEck's spot ETF on May 23rd. That doesn't mean the ETFs will be authorized, though. Would-be issuers also need their S1 applications approved before the products could begin trading. The SEC could take an indefinite amount of time to approve the S1 documents, one person familiar with the matter said, as it isn't tied to a deadline. That tweet from Eric Balchunas, backed by the information that was being leaked at the time, is what caused this massive pump to the upside. I'm talking a move up of 22% at our current price. Now, this absolutely destroyed my previous top resistance of $3,356. This was a huge move up, and we are now testing as high as $3,714. Now, I told you we could see a move up as high as $5,000, so I'm going to explain that real quick and then go into why we could see a drop first. What you're seeing right here is called a bull flag. Most often, this is going to break to the upside, and in fact, it's going to be one of the most bullish patterns you can possibly get. We've already broken out. We have a candle open, and as long as this closes above this previous resistance, now support line, we are good to go. I would be genuinely shocked if we dropped back below it. Now, the way you calculate profit potential is to take the flagpole. We're going to copy it, and we're going to move it all the way to the breakout. The very bottom of the flagpole needs to go to the point of breakout, and as you move up, the absolute top of the flagpole is where the expected top is going to be from this move. And if we grab a horizontal line and place it right at the end, our current top target for this bull flag is $5,032. Now, this just breaks above our previous all-time high of $4,867. This would be huge for Ethereum traders. Now, I think, at least from our current standpoint, this is contingent on the ETFs actually being approved. Now, this is where we're going to be talking about the drop. On the Bitcoin spot ETFs, these were approved on January 10th. We actually saw a pretty significant drop before a much larger move to the upside that started its own bull flag. And if we make another vertical line here on Ethereum for January 10th, you're going to notice that this is the exact same thing that played out. Major drop before the bull flag started. And while it's not guaranteed, a release of the ETF is most likely going to be a sell the news type of event where traders are going to begin selling out of the market like crazy. Now, at this point, we're going to use our previous resistance structures, $3,221 and $3,356 as structure support targets. If the Ethereum ETF is approved, a drop to between those levels is highly likely before we take off back to $5,000. At this point, I'm going to switch over to the weekly time frame because after major moves like this, it's actually pretty important to look at higher time frames to get your indicator readings. On the 1 week time frame, price versus whale money flow is super low. This means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market. Guys, candles like these are not from retail traders. Yeah, a lot of retail traders bought in, but retailers cannot move the market like this. This is because institutions were buying. They were highly optimistic on Ethereum and they were trying to eat up as much liquidity as they could. Trades in favor is low with a 78% chance of a pump. This is highly bullish, and if we get a buy signal, at this point I don't think we need one. We already got the breakout, but if we get a buy signal on the weekly, this creates what's called the bullish trifecta, and this is actually the entry condition that Trade Confident uses for just about every single one of the official trade calls we make. The price versus whale money flow and trades in favor readings by themselves are extremely bullish though. You can see back here, price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal sent the price all the way up to our current bull market high, not our all-time high, just our current market high. These are the main reasons I am extremely bullish on Ethereum right now. Everyone here at Trade Confident is looking for huge moves up in price. And while I think this could take quite some time to play out, this took months. We're talking from February 5th all the way down to now. This is about 3 months. Big moves are coming, but it's going to take a while, guys. So wait for this to play out. I know I'm going to get comments tomorrow saying, oh, this played out well. Guys, we need to be giving this some time. The crypto market doesn't always move crazy fast, but through this week, the Ethereum ETF decision, or at least the current one, is marked for May 23rd. That is this Thursday. Guys, this is a big decision that's going to happen, and no matter what happens, whether it's approved or denied, big things are going to happen in the crypto market. So we need to be ready for volatility. We need to be ready for huge pumps or huge sell-offs. Now, May 23rd is going to be a pretty big date. We also have our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout for our members. Join us and all of your fellow members for a major coaching session. This is going to be a big one, especially depending on what the Ethereum ETF decisions are. Talk to your fellow members, ask questions, get a full Q&A session with us, and more. Members also get access to our official trade calls, 197 wins, 0 losses. We are absolutely crushing it. Brand new future forecast out for our members as well. Urgent Ethereum ETF verdict, golden pocket closing, and imminent Bitcoin all-time high. Get ready. Guys, there's also going to be a crypto exit net worth allocation that's going to help you decide how to make your moves based on your current net worth. This is a video you cannot afford to miss. All that and much more is available with our membership, and members also get access to coupons that are going to let you get up to $550 off these insane indicators that actually called the bottom here on Ethereum on the weekly time frame. If you want to get access, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the very first link. You're going to want to snag that first. Members, you get access to everything and more for just $65 a month. Go and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, snag the indicators at the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our Pro Indicator page. The Pro Indicator pack is what you're looking for. Members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon codes at this link. Once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for the new future forecast video and on Thursday for the live Inner Circle Zoom meeting. Don't miss out.